We're going to talk about a Candida yeast treatment. We're going to talk about the causes, the symptoms, exactly what it is, and of course how to treat it. What is Candida? It is a yeasty fungus that inhabits our digestive tract, intestines, mouth, throat, and genitourinary tract. It has many positive functions, actually. Candida defends our digestive tract against harmful bacteria. Everybody has Candida within their bodies. The problem is when it grows out of control. Candida grows out of control due to things like toxic buildup in the kidneys, bowels, or blood, loss of friendly bacteria due to antibiotics or prescription drugs, and also poor diet, including sugar, white flour, and a lack of fruits and vegetables. What is yeast? Yeast reflects a state of imbalance and forms as a fungus that invades your body. Basically, yeast and Candida are the same thing. They become a dangerous toxin in your cells, and they are triggered by more than one factor. Primary factors for the development of Candida excess, or yeast, which are practically the same thing, is poor dietary choices and compromised digestion, which leads to constipation. Improper hormone balance in the body is another primary factor for developing Candida overgrowth or yeast infections. Accumulation of toxins in the digestive tract, like we said before, as well as the loss of friendly probiotic bacteria. Again, you can lose your friendly bacteria due to prescription drugs or antibiotics, even chlorine, whether there be too much of it in your water or a lot of time spent at the pool. There are several symptoms of Candida overgrowth or yeast infections. They would include itching, irritation, and burning in the vaginal or for men around their penis, white and abnormal discharge from the vagina for women, inflammatory redness in that area for both men and women, pain during sexual intercourse, again for both men and women, and I actually spelled intercourse wrong, forgive me. Pain during urination also for both men and women. These are some of the common symptoms of Candida overgrowth in your system or yeast infections. Your Candida yeast treatment will involve a number of things. There is no single cause to developing Candida overgrowth or yeast infections. Therefore, there is no single cure. You're going to have to make a lifestyle change, and it's not a large one. It'll just be a combination of very small lifestyle changes that will happen in your diet, with exercise, hygiene, etc. Now, don't be scared off. This is not going to be super difficult for you or anyone. Just cutting it down, moderation in all things. You know, with your diet, you don't have to go strictly vegetarian or anything crazy. You just need to eat a little bit less fatty foods and a little bit better nutritious foods. And for exercise, you don't have to become a triathlete. You just have to get up and move around a little bit more than you were doing, etc. There's a lot more information about what you can do to get rid of your Candida overgrowth or yeast infection, which are, again, basically the same thing. You need to go to www.candidayeasttreatment.net. That's Candida, C-A-N-D-I-D-A, yeast, Y-E-A-S-T, treatment, T-R-E-A-T-M-E-N-T.net, N-E-T. Make sure you put .net. CandidaYeastTreatment.net has a lot of free information. They've got a lot of informational videos. They have a blog there with lots of Candida-related entries. They have questions and answers. They have all sorts of things for you, so go check it out. Get more details about how to treat your Candida overgrowth or yeast infection, and best of luck with your situation.